From December 1st to December 24th, I will be posting daily videos for you guys. 24 easy, quick, fun projects you can make. Paper crafts, glitter foam, fabric, wool, and even toilet paper rolls. You know, lots of fun on a very small budget. This is my very first Vlogmas, and it may just be my last because it is going to be insane. Will you join me? Then don't forget to tap the notification bell to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos. I think I'm ready to start. Are you? You know, it's been a while since I did a paper crafts project, so I figured it was time to go back to basics. It's a snowflake with a little bit of bling. Yes, you can keep out the bling, but where's the fun in that? It's Christmas! Quick reminder that if you want to know about the materials, the tools, and the filming gear I used for this video, you can check out the links in the description.